Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick overview of the new Conga Sign web application. This video will demonstrate how to create and send a new transaction from the Conga Sign web application. We'll start on the dashboard, where you can view your account summary, various transactions, and recent transactions. To send a new transaction for signature, locate and click the New Transaction button in the upper right-hand corner. Clicking it opens a modal. The first step is to enter a specific name for your new transaction, typically related to the document and recipient company. After naming, click Create. Clicking Create navigates you to the transaction's detail page, which contains all relevant information for the transaction. Begin by adding your document. For this example, we'll add a Statement of Work document to the transaction. Next, select the recipient. We will choose Sarah. Scrolling down reveals various customizable options such as expiration date, field formatting, language, and time zone. For this demonstration, we'll retain the default settings and proceed by clicking Next. Clicking Next loads the document into the tagging interface. Scroll to the bottom where the signature block should be located. On the left side, within the Fields section, you'll find available tags, including signature and initials. Drag and drop the signature tag onto the document. Once the signature tag is placed, other signature tag options become available for the recipient. You can add fields like signer name and signer title. These fields can be easily positioned and resized on the document. While manual drag and drop tagging is shown here, documents can also be pre-tagged for a more streamlined experience, especially for ad hoc document sending. With all fields in place, click Send to Sign. A confirmation prompt will appear, informing you that email notifications will be sent to the recipients. Confirm by clicking Send. Choose No if you do not wish to start signing immediately. You will then be redirected to your dashboard. From there, navigate to the Statement of Work transaction. On its detail page, you can confirm Sarah as the recipient, view the transaction's in-progress status, and access various actions like signing, sending reminders, editing, trashing, or downloading the documents for your records. This concludes our quick video overview of the Conga Sign web application and how to send transactions directly from the platform. We hope this was helpful. Have a great day.